is Marge, and this video would be would serve as an introduction of myself. So, my name is Marge again. I'm 33, and I am married with one child, a 7-year-old kid, a second grader. So, his name's Joaquin, my husband's name's Alan. So, I am the one also behind the group, the Frugal Nanay, as well as the page of Frugal Nanay. It's kinda different kasi for the group, every member can post. Whether it's tipid hack, cooking post, or just random stuffs about motherhood and wifehood. So for the page that I manage, that I personally owned, the page called A Frugal Nanay, what I usually share there is my own life, my everyday hacks. So, kaya ayun, I initially started sharing my frugal ways of living on the group and in the page about roughly 3 years ago. Because I was a working mom, so it's a huge adjustment for me when I stopped working. It's a huge adjustment kasi we have to live under one income. We were so used to na tatay handles our monthly dues or monthly bills, whereas I handle our food and groceries as well as the yaya at that time. But when Joaquin turned 4, and he was about to start attending school, tatay and I decided to for me to stop working and stay at home so I can handle Joaquin, solely handle Joaquin. Kasi my point is, kung may makukuha sana kaming yaya na trustworthy or kasama dito sa bahay na relatives that would look after Joaquin, I won't stop working. But then, after 3 years, I can say na I made the right decision. So, I wanted to handle Joaquin personally when it comes to his studies, sa attitude niya, sa disiplina. Gusto ko ako lang. So, ayoko na may ibe-blame ako na kaya ganyan si Joaquin kasi pinabayaan na ganito, kasi natuto ng ganito, natuto ng ganyan. Gusto ko ako lang. Walang ibang tao. Walang kung ibang tatanungin about Joaquin kundi ako lang. So, we stopped looking for kasambahay or distant relatives na pwede namin pag-iwanan kay Joaquin. So, ako na lang. I stayed at home. And that transition made me realize na napakalaki ng difference ng isang income sa dalawa. I may not earn that much, pero at least yung sinusweldo ko. I was working in a call center before. That's where I met tatay. I was with the company for 7 years. Same company with tatay. Pero ako, nasa production area. Call center agent. Si tatay is IT. So, ayun. Halos half ng sweldo ni tatay yung sweldo ko. So, hindi man ganun kalaki, pero nakukover niya ang monthly expenses namin dito sa bahay. Yung sweldo ko, that time na nag-diaper pa, nagagatas pa si Joaquin. But when I stopped working, doon ko na-realize na I have to cut down yung expenses dito sa bahay because yung sweldo ni tatay will not be enough. Kasi nga, mawawala yung sweldo ko. Tapos, si tatay na lang yung nag-work. So, we have to manage. So, gradually, no, not really develop. I discovered some frugal ways of living or maintaining a comfortable life under one paycheck lang. Look at Max. What is doing? What are you doing, baby? Ayan, kasi mga mag-1 week na siya. It's time for his weekly ligo. Kaya ganyan siya, nangangati na. Ayan, may commercial. So, ayun. When I started sharing ng mga ways na yun, nagulat ako kasi I receive a lot of feedback na yung akala mo, everyone knows that way or that hack. Yun pala, yung ibang mommies, meron pa rin palang nagsa-struggle na hindi pala alam na yung ganong way ay mas effective. So, yun nga, nung nag-start ako mag-share ng mga usual everyday ko dito sa bahay, I was overwhelmed with the response from my co-nanays. So, parang that urged me to build up a group around mga nanays like me who stays at home at the same time nakakaipon pa rin sila despite having one paycheck or single income lang ang family. So, kaya yun. So, that's the history. So, for a year, I've been sharing how I do my budget, how I handle our groceries, how I discipline Joaquin, how I teach him with regards to money, how I tutor Joaquin. Hindi po siya homeschool, pero nag-tutor ako. And then, what else? Minsan, nagluluto, I share the techniques that I do. Tapos, yung mga baon ni Joaquin, I always share them. Kung ano-ano yung mga binabaon ni Joaquin. Tapos, also the challenges na ginagawa ko for myself, for our family. Sinashare ko din sa page. And, manalo man ako or matalo with that challenge, I still share it. So, I share my mistakes. I wanted to create a YouTube channel long ago pa. I even started a personal blog when Waki was younger. Kaya lang, I really have no time. Ngayon kasi Waki stays at school for 6.5 hours. So, I think I have more time. And so, yan. When Waki is at school, ito lang ang kasama ko dito sa bahay. While tatay is at work, kaming dalawa lang ni Max. This is Max. Sa family member. It's my bunso. Ano ba yan, baby? You're so likot. So, ayan. Ito yung balahibo mo, Max. So, ayun, konti ng alam ko when it comes to video editing. So, I did some research. I watched some YouTube vlogs to see how they manage their videos, how they edit. Kasi some videos that I've watched, they also say kung ano yung ginamit na app. So, trial and error. So, this time, I hope I can manage it. So, that's why I made this introductory video para people who would come across my page or my channel would know what the contents are. So, being frugal doesn't mean depriving yourself of what you want, but it's just a matter of setting your priorities of what matters most. So, in this videos or in this channel, you would still see me spending, but what I usually say when it comes to spending is just know your money's worth. Parang every single peso that you spend, make sure you get the value of it. So it's really not I'm not really into tipid tipid tips. No, I'm not really into saving much, but I spend money on things that I know I can use and that will be worth it. So again, depriving yourself is it's much more different than dami ko bulol. Kasi ito yung mahirap sa hindi scripted eh. Wala akong binabasa, wala akong trail of thoughts. So, whatever comes to mind, yun lang yung nasasabi ko. Ganito kasi ako pag nagla-live sa page ko. Whatever I think, yun na yung nasasabi ko. So, ayan, tignan mo. Nagugulo yung trail of thoughts ko. So, I will share how I save, but I will also share how I spend. So, you will see sa future videos that I'll be making where I spend my savings, how I save. Also challenges for myself. So much for an intro video. So ito lang muna. I hope my only goal why I'm making or creating this channel is para madagdagan yung mga nare-reach ko na to add a platform where I can share most of my frugal tips, frugal hacks in life. Kasi I wanted to spread awareness na hindi porke nagtitipid ka, hindi ka na pwede mabuhay ng komportable. Hirap. Bulol. Anyway, so yeah, that's it for today. So I'll check back tomorrow and see next time. I'll check back next time kung makakakita ko ng makakagawa pa ako ng video contents agad. So, thank you!